Hey everyone, it's Michelle from the Vegan Hippie, and today I am making chicken scallopini piccata, vegan of course. And this is I don't make this all the time. Today's my birthday, and this is my treat to myself. So to get started, you will need a package of Gardein. They say Scallopini chicken breasts. I'm not sure if they say breast, but there's usually 4 in there. My package only had 3 left. So just let them thaw. And then you're going to have a bowl of flour that's been seasoned with some salt and pepper. And I'm just going to dredge these in there. And I'm going to fry them. Oh, this is getting too hot. I'm going to pan fry them in some olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to move this to the side for a minute and let it cool. Okay. This is my bowl of flour. Just make sure it gets coated really good. Oh, it broke. Okay. Stick it in your pan. Maybe not let them thaw too much. Kind of falling apart there. Or cut them in half. And you're just gonna fry these for a few minutes on each side so it gets a nice crispy coating. You know, like chicken cutlets. There you go. And just let these fry for a few minutes on each side until the breading gets nice and crispy looking. And I'll be back when this is done. I'm going to get the rest of my ingredients ready. Okay, my chicken breasts have been cooking for probably about 4 minutes on each side. See how nice and golden they look? And just take them out of the pan. If I can pick them up. There we go. Okay. I don't know if see how golden they look. They smell really good. We're going to leave this oil in here. We're going to put a little more. And then a little bit of a little more flour. I'm just going to use what I already started with. So I don't waste. Probably like 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of flour is what you'll need. And we're just gonna cook this for a few minutes. Let the flour cook out, let the flour taste. Keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. This is how all gravies or sauces, well, most of them I should say. Traditional sauces, that's how they start out. Flour, and typically they use like butter, but I've always just made this with olive oil. Okay, now we're going to slowly add some vegetable broth. Just a little at a time, and stir it until it gets thick, and add a little more. Okay. Might look weird in the beginning, but just keep adding the broth. And pretty soon it will look like nice gravy or sauce. Alrighty, my sauce is the way I like it. We probably used about 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, and a total of about 2 cups of vegetable broth. And I did add a little more salt to it. And now we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. You could add half a lemon. I like it really lemony, but it's totally up to you. And combine it again. Oh, it smells so good. Gonna give it a taste. Oh yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna put my chicken breast or my Gardein cutlets back in here. Just let them simmer for a little bit like that. I'm going to make my pasta. I'll see you when my pasta is done. Alrighty, everything is done. I got my pasta here. Putting on my chicken cutlet. Extra sauce. Happy birthday to me.